we are going to talk about vowel family. Each vowel letter has its different sounds. Now let's begin with this letter. Do you know what letter is this? Yes, this is letter A. Capital letter A, big letter A, Mommy A. Mommy A says, ah, 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 ah. If there is Mommy A, then we also have Baby A. Baby A. Small letter A. Baby A says, ah, 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 ah. Okay, it's your turn. What is this letter? Very good. This is Mommy A. And how about this letter? Good job. This is Baby A. What is the sound of this letter? Everybody says, ah, 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 ah. Good job! Very good. Now let's sing big and small. Follow after teacher. Big and small, big and small. This is big and this is small. Big and small, big and small. This is big and this is small. Big letter A, small letter A, and it sounds with ah, 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 ah. Good job! Excelente! Ah, ah, as in apple. Ah, ah, apple. Ah, ah, ambulance. Ah, ah, ambulance. Ah, ah, alligator. Ah, ah, alligator. Ah, ah, arrow. Ah, ah, arrow. Now, I will teach you how to write big letter A, small letter A, sounds ah, ah. Right, first, we are going to write big letter A or Mommy A. Now, what you are going to do is to put the tip of your pencil in the upper blue. We will use blue, red, and blue. Now, we are going to put a dot there and then make a slant, left slant, and then another slant going right, and then horizontal line, the red line, make a horizontal line. This is Mommy A. Now let's have Baby A. Again, put the tip of your pencil, the red line, here, red line. And then, first thing you're going to do is to make a circle. Circle. Okay. And then, there's a small tail. So you are going to, again, put the tip of your pencil in the red line and then make a line going down to make it a small tail. So that's it. This is big letter A, small letter A, and it sounds with ah, as in apple. Have fun in writing!